one more thing I would like to discuss with you guys. Of course, it is not for freshers, but experienced people can understand me, right? So there are so many companies who, who do not work on every tools that we have in the DevOps, right? It's not possible, right? So, and let's say, the current company using the GitLab, but the previous company was using the Jenkins and all those, and you're not touching with the Jenkins from last 1 year. So how will you practice that, right? That is very much important. So what exactly I do? So I'll tell you. Let's say this is a Docker. Let's say if I'm opening the Jenkins doc, right, and I have to practice that, right, each and everything. So what would I do then? I open the Chat GPT. Simple. As I open the Chat GPT, new chat, right, and then let's say I am clicking on the how to manage the Jenkins, right, and it is also not possible for me to read such a huge document. Some of the people may agree, may not agree. I'm really sorry for that, but this is exactly what I do because I'm an experienced one, so I can understand what the manager Jenkins talks about, right? But yeah, there may be some new things comes up every year. I'm talking about their updates, which I'm not maybe familiar of. So what would I do is, and then copy this one, manage Jenkins, type, then tell me, sorry, tell me about manage Jenkins, right? With latest updates. So that helps me to know about the each and every updates that we have in the Jenkins. Maybe it could be the Docker. If you can see my the list, I always try to learn in this way, right? Let's say I have to take a ACAS backup with the Istio, so that I was learning, right? And such as short notes. I don't need to go all the huge documentations from the AWS or the Azure and all those stuff. But of course, it is not for the freshers. You must go through all those documents. So let's say, in my current company, right, they were using Azure, so that's why I'm taking some help. And the last company, they were using AWS, so it happens. Then I'm also working on like AWS security services. See, because the last company was using this, so I don't want to miss that. I don't want to forget that. So that's why I just created Cloudrel. What is happening in this? So they will tell me, okay, each and every events that is happening here, what does it mean, who did it, and what is the source and all those stuff, right? So this way I try to recall all those stuff that I have done. If you can process this one, that will be help.